How's it going, Kaden?
Good.
You can see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my character. I call him Little B Mike.
It looks like when you're trying to hypnose somebody.
Oh, it looks like he's trying to be hypnotized.
Mhm.
You see him moving?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You move so fast.
I made a little dance thing for him. What we're really going to focus on is these these little bars, little checkpoints, like 1 through the numbers down here.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Like-
how you move.
Yeah, 0 to like 99. You see these right here?
Yep, we do. Get it.
So
Yes.
yeah, so down here, this is called the timeline.
Oh, the
So
time.
basically, Kaden, basically like when you're looking at movies, anything that you watch that's video, there's a timeline. Basically you start from you play, and they have like basically a line that goes through a whole bunch of frames all the way to the end until the video stops. So each frame of a video, or each second or not even second of a video, there's a whole bunch of frames. So all these down here are called frames.
Oh,
And if you look right here, there's one frame with my drawing on it. I have another frame with another drawing, another frame, and I go to the next frame, he moves, and I go to the next frame, and I keep going down these frames, and the character keeps moving. Yeah, animation is just it's the illusion of movement. That's all it is.
snips.
Yeah. So that's pretty much what animation is.